This is another in our series of videos on how the Medicaid rules apply in the case of a married couple. So today let's talk about cars, trucks, and other vehicles. First, the rules are different than in the case of a single person who is only allowed to have one vehicle in Illinois, limited to $4,500 in value unless it's used or equipped for medical transportation. In Missouri, without that particular limit. In the case of a married couple, though, the spouse who is not in the nursing home, what's known as the community spouse, is also allowed to have a vehicle of any value as long as it's reasonable. So a Cadillac is okay, a Maserati probably is not. I've had couples that have had 3 or more vehicles. That seems particularly to be the case with farm couples who may each have a vehicle to drive and then a work truck that's used on the farm. So the question is, within those rules, is there a possibility of protecting a third vehicle? And the answer is that there is, although it involves a choice in some cases. In addition to exempt assets, the vehicle per spouse, the spouse who is not in the nursing home gets to keep an additional amount of non-exempt assets. So you can choose to keep a third vehicle as a non-exempt asset as long as you realize that that means that you'll be keeping less money or other financial assets. But again, in some cases, that can be a good trade-off. So, as always, these rules are complicated, and not only that, there are a lot of tricks to successfully manipulating them. If you're in that situation, please give us a call. We can help. Thanks.